SimEMR contains a variety of charting options that allow for in-depth patient information aggregation. Learners will learn the methods for navigating a patient's chart in SimEMR. In this lesson, SimEMR will be explored in greater depth to enable learners to identify the components of the EMR. Using a web browser on any device, navigate to v2.simemr.com, enter your username and password, and select Login. Find the Scan Wristband field in the left-hand menu, which will be used for patient identification in future lessons. Observe the navigation menu under the field and select any menu item to get acquainted with the forms they contain. The patient portfolio page includes any patient assigned by an instructor and houses past activities which remain visible to the user. Observe the Scan a Patient Barcode field, which will allow you to select appropriate patients once their barcode is scanned. Now, select Go to Patients, which will be utilized if a barcode scanner is not available for patient identification. The patient's chart will open, denoting the patient name on the top of the page. On the far right side of the Summary of Activity listing, click View to view the corresponding form. You may now select Log Out and close SimEMR to finish this objective.